the last few months, I've been using some new to me and new hair products, and I've used them several times. And so now I figured it's a good time for me to share my thoughts on each and every one of them with you. But before we jump in, I did want to say that while I got some of these products for free from the brands, this video is not sponsored and all thoughts are my own. So let's jump in and here we go. We're going to start with the products that I got from the brand Anomaly. Now, this is a brand that I'd never heard of before, but it's supposed to be like a celebrity brand, with the celebrity being Priyanka Jonas. I've seen Priyanka Jonas's hair. She's got gorgeous hair. So when the brand reached out to me, I was intrigued and thought, hey, if she would use these products on her hair, I would be happy to try them. Now, this brand seems to be about high performance hair care at drugstore prices. The brand sent me 4 different products, but I've only used 2 of them. And the first one that I use is the Hydrating shampoo. And per the brand, this shampoo delivers a surge of much needed hydration to dry, dull, or overworked hair. It has a blend of aloe vera and coconut oil that provides a satisfying cleanse and a boost of nourishment without stripping or weighing the hair down. When I used the shampoo, I used it a couple of times and I thought it was a pretty good shampoo, though I wasn't blown away by it. Now, this shampoo from Anomaly has a perfume-like scent that I wouldn't call flowery or fruity. It's a little more musky to me, and the scent does linger for a bit. And it's also a bit strong. The scent does linger for a bit and it's a bit strong. So if scents can irritate your sinuses like they sometimes do mine, you may not like this shampoo or may not even want to use it. The shampoo itself is a little runny, but it lathers like no one's business. And I love that. I love a good lathering shampoo. And even though there is a lot of lather, it doesn't dry out my hair at all, and I didn't feel like it left any residue on my hair. Now, the second product I used was the Shine Conditioner, and this is supposed to cover all of the bases, the brand says, but is anything but basic. It has jojoba oil in it, and it moisturizes and nourishes the hair without weighing it down, and the hair is supposed to be left with a boost of shine and softness, all without any silicones being used. Now, like the shampoo, there's also a strong musky smell that does linger for a while. Like, it lingered for quite a while in my bathroom after I used it. And this is probably one of the thinnest conditioners that I've used in a while. There is no thickness to it whatsoever. So you have to be careful to not over squeeze the bottle because of how runny it is. Otherwise, you end up with a lot coming out at once. Now, I was less impressed with the conditioner than I was with the shampoo. I just felt like the conditioner did nothing for my hair. And to be fair, it is a rinse out conditioner, not a deep conditioner. And rinse out conditioners don't do much for my hair, which is why I only use them as a pre-poo. If I had to give a final rating on these 2 Anomaly hair products, I would say the shampoo is a maybe, and I would use it again if I got it for free, but I don't see myself buying it unless I was away from home, really needed to wash my hair, but couldn't find any of my staple shampoos in the store, and this was the only option. When it comes to the conditioner, it's a no for me. I wouldn't buy it. It's just not worth it. And if I got it for free, I'd probably give it away, or I might use it as a mixture and a pre-poo. The next product we're going to talk about is the Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing and Anti-Breakage Shampoo. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I've been using Mielle products off and on. Some of them I've liked, such as the Mangongo Oil Thermal and Heat Protection Spray, and also the Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. But then there have been some products I haven't liked, such as the Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner and the Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner, which is in the same line as this shampoo. Now, I tried this shampoo because I bought it during a sale. I'd had it for a while and I said, let's go ahead and give it a try, even though we didn't like the overnight conditioner. And the claims for this shampoo really intrigued me. And the claims include gently cleansing and replenishing moisture back to dry, damaged hair. And it's also infused with ingredients such as avocado and ginger. When it comes to my thoughts of the shampoo, it's just a nice shampoo. There was nothing like overly impressive about it. The smell is nice, it's a little flowery, but the smell is not overpowering and it doesn't linger for too long. And the shampoo does a really good job of lathering. Not as good as Anomaly, but a really good job. And when I used the shampoo for a few weeks, I felt that it left my hair feeling okay. I have found though that if I had a decent amount of product buildup on my hair, this shampoo had a hard time breaking through that. To give this shampoo a final rating, I have to admit it's a no for me. It's not a hard no though. The shampoo just isn't as moisturizing as my go-to shampoo, and it just does an okay job. So because I have other shampoos, other moisturizing shampoos that I think do a better job at not leaving my hair feeling stripped, but having it feel moisturized and clean. I just see no point in buying this shampoo again, though I would still recommend it to others. Okay, now we're going to talk about a whole line of products, and this is the Sally Beauty BondBar Line. Now, this is a new line from Sally Beauty, and basically it's their response to the bond repair craze that has been going on. Those products have been getting popular, and it seems like Sally Beauty wanted to cash in on it. So they created their own 4-step system that claims to strengthen hair, reduce breakage, moisturize, and repair highly damaged hair, and it's also supposed to help prevent frizz and split ends. This line is supposed to work for all hair types. So Sally Beauty sent me all 4 products in the line to try out, and the line includes the following, which is their number 3, a bonding pre-shampoo hair treatment that is supposed to reduce breakage and strengthen to leave the hair looking and feeling healthier by repairing existing bonds and helping to generate new bonds for stronger hair. Then there's number 4, the bonding shampoo, which gently cleanses the hair while adding moisture and shine to help prevent the flyaways and frizz. And then there's number 5, the bonding conditioner, which is supposed to be moisturizing and reparative and leaves the hair shiny and feeling healthier. Then the last one is number 6, which is the bonding styling cream, and that's supposed to reduce frizz, moisturize, and smooth the hair. Okay, here are my thoughts. So far, I haven't been impressed with this line. I've used the whole line together for 2 weeks in a row, and I feel like it dried out my hair. Plus, I think it also contributed to some breakage that I was seeing on my ends. The conditioner and styling cream are not moisturizing at all, and I need a good moisturizing deep conditioner and leave-in for my hair so that it can offset any dryness. Both times that I used them, I needed to offset the dryness that they gave my hair with a good moisturizing deep conditioner and a leave-in, so I had to use extra products. Also, as I mentioned, my hair started experiencing some breakage after I started using the line, and I just could not stand that. So that's kind of what I think about the line overall, but let me give you a little bit more and kind of like a final rating on each of the different products. Overall, for the BondBar line, it's a no for me. I would never use this full line altogether again. I feel like it did more harm for my hair than actual good. When it comes to each of the individual products, the bonding pre-shampoo treatment, it's a no. I'm staying away from bonding treatments for a while. I just feel like they haven't been doing a good job with my hair. I feel like they've been causing breakage, so I just don't want to use them anymore. When it comes to the shampoo, it's a maybe. This is one that I might try solo as my first lather shampoo, but I wouldn't use it on a weekly basis. When it comes to the conditioner, this one is also a no. It's just not moisturizing and it did nothing positive for my hair, so I have no reason to ever use this again. Then the styling cream, like the conditioner, that's also a no. The cream gave my hair no moisture, and there's no point in putting a product on my hair if it's not going to help my hair. The last product we're going to talk about is the Olaplex number 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. Now, you've probably heard about Olaplex as it's gotten really popular over the last few years. A lot of women in the relaxed hair community use some of the products or actually use the entire line. Now, Olaplex is a line of products that's focused on making the hair healthier by rebuilding the bonds in the hair. Olaplex, you could probably say, is like the grandparent of bond building. I don't know that I ever heard the term before Olaplex came on the scene. I don't know if you had, but that's kind of my thoughts on that. So the Olaplex product that I tried this time, as I mentioned, was the Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. I've tried the number 3 before, and I've also tried the number 8, which I think is the hair mask. Now, this serum claims to provide satin shine and softness. It's supposed to be an anti-tangle and anti-static serum. It's supposed to be weightless and help shield the hair from pollution for 48 hours. And it also provides heat protection for up to 450 degrees. Now, when it comes to my thoughts on this serum, it's lightweight, so a little bit goes a long way, which I figured out after the first time I used it and used probably a little bit too much. I really like that it also has heat protection in it, which eliminates the need for an additional product, so it's less time that I have to spend applying product to my hair and fewer products that I just need to use overall. So I've been using this serum when I roller set, and I've noticed how smooth my hair is after I use it. Now, some of that could be due to my roller setting technique improving, or it could just be the serum, I don't know. Now, overall, I do like this serum, and I would probably use it again, except that it costs so much for such a small bottle. And even though this is an Olaplex product, I have not seen the hair breakage when I've used it like I did when I was using the Bond treatment or even the Sally Beauty BondBar line. All right, those are all of the new to me products that I've recently tried out on my relaxed hair and my thoughts on those products. I want to hear from you. What new products have you been trying? Go ahead and share that in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And lastly, go ahead and check out this video to see my current relaxed hair regimen and the products that I use on my hair. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in this next video.